Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over dipping this rifle in the Ursai Gear Emerge 2.0. We also have Aaron from Ursai Gear to say a couple words.
Thank you, Barry. I'm Aaron with Ursai Gear. And again, we did the Emerge 2.0, our proprietary pattern. If you like it, you can find it on ursaigear.com.
Hi, my name is Rick. I'm the owner of this Tikka T3 308 sniper rifle that I had built. I'll be competing with this spring in a sniper competition. And I really like this pattern and everything that it stands for. I've tried it in a couple different countries, big game hunting, and I'm super impressed with how it came out. So super excited to see how well we do in the competition and hopefully advertise a great product. Thanks again, guys.
The first thing we're going to tackle is just putting the font on the barrel. So what we got is we need to do all the Cerakote before we do the dip. It's just better with the clear coat. So I went ahead, got this sprayed in black. It's stencil cured. We got the vinyl cut on transfer tape. So I've got the barrel already mostly marked out. I just got to mark the approved distance that I sent to the customer and got approved. So we'll get that marked, get the stencils put on both sides, and then we'll spray our FDE, and I'll bring you guys back at that point. But let's go ahead and get this marked real quick and get this on here. So it'll be kind of hard to see because I did black vinyl, but if you kind of look there, you can see the text. So we'll go ahead and get this other side done. And there's that side. So we'll just do one last little check, make sure everything looks good. Basically what we did is we found the center of the receiver up here, the center of the barrel, and drew a straight line in relation to the taper of the barrel. So technically it's crooked, but it'll match the taper of the barrel. So just making sure everything looks centered with the amount of barrel that's going to show, and I think we're going to be good to go. So we'll go ahead and get our FDE mixed. We'll get it sprayed. I'll do probably just a real quick stencil and then pull the vinyl off and then do a full cure. So I'll bring you guys back once that's all done, and then we'll get it ready for the dip with all the other parts we have for it. So I'll see you in just a few. We got this pulled out of the oven. It's all masked off. We'll show you the text here. Once we get it dipped, all this will come off. It did look good though, so we're gonna go ahead. This is all prepped, ready for primer. We got the other pieces also ready for primer. So we'll go ahead, get these in the booth, get some primer put on them, and we'll be right back. So we got this all taped up, ready to do the first half. We already got our film cut. We also have the receiver all ready to go. The barrel's taped up. So we'll be able to show you what the stencil work looks like here in just a little bit. So let's get you over to the dip tank and we'll get these parts dipped. So I'm going to go in with it upside down here, and we're going to just go slow, try to make sure we can get the film in all of the little areas and minimize the amount of touch-up we have to do. So as you can see, looks really good right out of the water. So we'll get it rinsed and we'll get the other film over here and dip some more parts. With the handguard, we got pipe insulation in it. We're just gonna go ahead and roll it into the film, and we'll show you what it looks like. We'll go get it rinsed. Okay, we're gonna get this receiver dipped. Again, it's just gonna be something I'm gonna roll. I'm gonna start right here on the bottom where it's taped off already. So we'll show you what it looks like. We'll get it rinsed and show you what it looks like. I guess that one would have gone over. Will you plug the hose in for me? So as you can see, this turned out really good, and we'll get this untaped. So the stencil work on the barrel turned out really good. Here's our first half on the chassis and stock. So we'll get it taped off and do this other side. Just don't put it over there, please. And here's the handguard. Again, turned out really good right out of the water. So we'll bring you back when we're going to dip the other part.
That's what loosens it from the film, right?
Yeah, so it softens it. It makes all the inks liquid again. The water dissolves the PVA backing that it's printed on. We'll get this in the rinse tank and show you what it looks like. So we got the first side that we did, and the second side. Next you see this, we'll be doing some engraving on it with the fiber laser. So we got it on the laser, the fiber laser, and we're getting ready to engrave a Eagle Globe and Anchor Marine Corps logo onto the receiver. Here we go. It's been a couple days. We got this out of the paint booth. You can kind of see, turned out really, really nice. And this is, again, that Ursa Gear Emerge 2.0. The film you can get from TWN. Their pattern number is WTP 1116 on their website. So comment down below if you guys want to see us do other things in this pattern, or if there's a different pattern you'd like us to do on some projects. And thanks for watching.